If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. Inktober day 28, the Apatosaurus. So I must say that I'm a little behind on Inktober. I wasn't able to draw every single day, but I'm still trying to complete the list of Inktober. So basically I would say that I have failed the challenge of drawing a dinosaur every day, but I have kept on drawing, you know, the list of dinosaurs, and I have been trying to draw as much as I could. So anyways, this Apatosaurus was pretty cool in my opinion. I really like this drawing. It only took me an hour, which is surprising because it's really detailed, and there's a lot of like shading going into this. So the way that I drew this dinosaur was I took a reference photo from Jurassic World, I think just from Jurassic World, and I just used the lighting of that reference photo. I kind of adopted like the neutral pose of like how the legs are standing right now, but I made his head turn our way and I kind of tweaked the tail a little bit so that it's a little bit more backwards, because of the fact that the head of the dinosaur is pointing this way, so the tail is going to change direction as well to counterbalance the body. That's what I'm imagining. But anyways, yeah, I really like the coloring that I did on this, even though it's not, you know, real colors. Like for example, gray tones aren't in the category of the colors. But I would say that, you know, these are just neutral grays, but I'm gonna, like, as you can see right now, I'm gonna put some yellow grays in it, some blue grays, and that will make it stand out a little bit more, and it will actually look like there's some color in the drawing. I think that this one is better than I think like the one that I did the second year of Inktober that I ever did Inktober, because after that I've never been able to draw this dinosaur because I wasn't really able to keep up with the Inktober thingy, and I always ended up not continuing near the end. And so yeah, this is like you know, this is pretty good that I've gotten this far. But anyways, like if you look at this drawing and you look at the drawing that I did like a couple years ago, what do you think is the better drawing?